This video is brought to you by Smokpub.
Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings, and I'm enjoying a nice smoked cocktail courtesy of Smokpub.
So let's first take a look at what you get with Smokpub. This is the Smokpub Complete Set. It's a really nice presentation. We're going to go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. All right, there are the instructions right there on the lid. Really simple process. We'll get to that in a second. So under the protective foam, here's the user manual. USB charging plug. This is a wire cleaning brush. Here's a metal spoon. Now there are 6 types of wood chips. Let's go ahead and get all of these out of there. One more. All right. And of course, here is Smokpub itself. Very nice. That's the power button. And underneath, that's where the smoke comes out, I think. And here is the charging port. You can elevate your cocktails with the Smokpub electric cocktail smoker. Perfect for holiday gatherings, parties, impressing your friends, you name it. Looking for a unique Christmas gift? A gift for Dad? Smokpub is a great choice. They offer 6 wood chip flavors with your Smokpub electric cocktail and whiskey smoker: oak, apple, hickory, cherry, pear, and beech. Choose the perfect flavor for your drink or mix and match to create a unique and complex flavor experience.
My personal favorite actually was hickory. It made the most smoke and it had the nicest flavor that complemented my cocktail just perfectly.
Here's how it works. Get your favorite cocktail ready. Add your favorite wood chips. Place the Smokpub electric smoker over your drink. Then press and hold the button for 3 seconds. A green light appears, and you press it one more time. That's it. Super simple to use. It creates aromatic smoke that enhances your whiskey, or in this case bourbon, with a rich, smoky flavor. It creates a premium drinking experience. The device is easy to store and portable, making it perfect for any occasion, whether it's at a bar, party, an outdoor barbecue, you name it. You can show off your skills and impress your friends even while traveling. And Smokpub is designed to fit a variety of glass sizes. Just grab your favorite glass, place Smokpub on top, and start smoking your drink. The perfect Christmas gift for cocktail and whiskey enthusiasts.
So everybody, thanks for watching. This has been Mac for OCR Kings. If you want to learn more about this product, check out the links in the description below, or log on to www.smokpub.com. Cheers. Oh, that's good. I could do another take. Is that all right? You want to do another one? All right, fill it up again. All right. It's so good when it hits your lips.